Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and the card for today I'm going to use my Distress oxide inks that I haven't used for a long time. I think I bought them and used just one time and I forget about them because like I use almost every day the Distress inks and I forget now we have the Distress oxide inks. I grabbed this paper that is called palette. It's disposable palette pads. It's a paper that is coated and it resists all types of paint and it won't bleed. Also, you have in low density and high density. This one that I'm using is low density and is from Blick. I'm going to leave the link for this one in the description. It's very nice and you can use it several times before you throw it away. As you see here, I'm doing a rainbow using dark colors and light colors like red and pink, orange, yellow, and light blue, dark blue, and light dark purple and light purple. I just press my watercolor paper, but I think it's better if I slid the watercolor paper to one side because I didn't like it that I get just the paint pressed in one place, and I just held myself with the water brush. I couldn't say, oh, this is the look that I was looking, because I've seen several videos that you see people that make stuff that they don't supposed to be happening, but they happen, and I say this is the look that I was looking. Well, this is not the look that I was looking, but it worked for me. And you see later when it dries, I even have like a muddy or there it is, the muddy greenish spot, but because what I'm going to do is not going to be that notable. On the video is worse than in person, believe me. Right now I'm stamping these heart and swirls. This was a stamp mounted in a wood and I take it off and I use my stamping tool to help stamp with this, and your window get a little bit sticky, but you can solve that with a little bit of alcohol or glue gun, something like that. After I stamp it, I start coloring the hearts in white with my white gel pen. This is the other thing that I knew it was going to happen, but even that I knew it was going to happen, I still did it this way because I was thinking to do it with acrylic or something else, but I was thinking maybe the color is, on the bottom is going to color the hearts and it's going to be lighter version of the same color, like lighter blue, lighter green, stuff like that. But the hearts, they get so much color from the oxide inks that the white almost disappears in some of them. But anyway, after that I did some splashes in acrylic and they also get tinted by the oxide ink. It doesn't look bad, but I was looking to have, white hearts and white spots, but I need more practice on this. After everything is dry, I cut this die cut and I'm going to use the first heart and the third heart, the one that is solid, one of the heart that is solid, and I'm going to stamp, I think it's just for you, in this, and I'm going to glue the big heart and this one in the middle. This is a very simple card, but I just want to practice my rainbow effect or ombre effect, whatever you want to call it, using this paper palette. By the way, I did like it and I'm going to use it several times. After that, I'm going to use another paper cardstock in black and frame the card. Like I said before, I don't know why, but I don't like cards that are going straight to the card base. I like them to be framed. Maybe I have one or another one that they are not, but mostly I like to frame them. This is my card base that is going to be the A2 card size, and it's in white paper. I use mostly all the time. I use Cougar 110 pounds. Very nice. I like it. I haven't tried the Nina. I have to because a lot of people recommend it. But the Nina solar water I use is 80 pounds, and I don't like it for card base. I'll just glue my card to my card base, and now I'm going to add little tiny sequins. They are flat, and I'm going to glue them in the corresponding colors, like the pink sequence in the pink part of the card, and the yellow in the yellow part of the card, and so on. Well, and that will be it for my cards. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.